In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. Then we need to head over to the conversations. We can easily do so by tapping right here or just by swiping to the right. Now guys, from here we have two different ways how we can block someone, and the first way is just to long press at some conversation. That will show you this pop-up, and from here we need to tap at manage friendship, and that's where we can easily find this block feature. And now to block that user, I'm just gonna hit right here, and then to confirm it we need to tap at block. Another way to block a user is just open up a conversation, then tap right here to go to their profile. And from here we can also block a user if we tap at these three dots, then manage friendship, and then block in the same way. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.